This 2022 Grand Design Momentum 397th is a toy hauler RV. It is located in Draper, Utah, 84020 and is offered for sale by General RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Grand Design is 44 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 3, Slideout, and 140 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this toy hauler features front bedroom, kitchen island, loft, 2 entry, exit doors, 2 full baths. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.